Inspired by nature, created by cold. Meltwater starts as natural artesian water, and it is purified by multi-stage freezing. The first layer of thin ice forms at plus 3.8 degrees. This layer contains elements of heavy water. Therefore, it is removed. The remaining water begins to form the ice core. As the crystals in the core begin to form, they naturally push away all impurities and admixtures into a bubble in the center. The center of the core contains all the impurities. It is removed using our special technology. The remaining layer of absolutely pure and crystal clean ice core is melted back into water and bottled for your enjoyment. Purity from ice.